Good afternoon, John and Diane, it's Eric. Entering Flagstaff Lodge, unit number 301. This is a great floor plan. It has a powder bath when you first enter, but a really good size mudroom with a bench, coat hooks. On this side of the entrance there is another coat closet. Kind of a nice sense of arrival. You're not just walking directly into the kitchen like some of these Empire Pass condos. Nice built-in bar area, wine fridge, another fridge, glasses, lockable bottle storage on the side, it looks like. And then you enter into this really spacious, kind of wide open main common living area. Kitchen with an island. It seats so many people. You get the built-in window seat there. Then a formal dining room table with, looks like 8 chairs. And then plenty of seating in the great room too. So this is significantly larger than the Silver Strike corner unit that we had discussed last month. Fireplace, TV, a classic Flagstaff finishes. You can see some of the metalwork. So it's a little bit contemporary in some of the finishes, but I'll venture it's timeless. I wanted to give you a picture of the views. This is looking out toward kind of Montage, Empire Pass, Daily Chutes, Lady Morgan Bowl, Park City Ridgeline in the background. Nice little outdoor living area with a barbecue, couch, ottomans, chairs.